that was a great panel on the gaming, NFTs, and great to learn so many things. Okay, today I'm here to present Frontier. Okay, like I've been this industry from almost like 6 years now. Like I have been on the developer side of things on most of my career. Okay, and Pranav mentioned, okay, India is it has a fuel of like producing more and more developers and stuff. So when I see, okay, like I every like I'm also an investor, like angel investor in a lot of early projects. Lot of founders, they want to build for the next billion users. Okay, but my approach has been completely different while I'm building Frontier. Okay, like so what we think is you don't have to create like a product for next billion users. Okay, you need to create an ecosystem to come like next 10,000 like entrepreneurs. Okay, like how we can get next 10,000 entrepreneurs, then they will build the next economy for the next billion users. Here, like I'm presenting Frontier. So, like from Anthony's talk and like the whole thing, everything happened in 2022. Or it's all about the failure of centralized players. Okay, and I have been in DeFi space from, I can call it day zero, when the like I was part of this group where the term DeFi got originated. Okay, like the way this term got originated, there was a founders, the couple of founders, like all of us joined. There was only three protocols at that point in time. There was MakerDAO, there was Compound Finance, Uniswap, and Set Protocol. We all like created a group and we wanted to call this technology, what should we call it? And some people said we should call it open finance. Some people said we should call it social finance. Okay, ultimately we all decided we should call this decentralized finance. Then we all like created a hashtag in Twitter, and then that's how this entire DeFi motion started. Okay, and irrespective of all the chaos, whatever everything happened like in centralized exchange space. Okay, it is clearly seen like we DeFi worked as expected. Okay, like there was no failure in terms of like how it is supposed to work. Okay, be it a liquidations, be it a handling various liquidity and high volume transaction. Okay, at some point in time, like Uniswap processed more volume than Coinbase consistently. Okay, like this DeFi has been as showcased it so well. Okay, and the main important aspect of DeFi, like if anybody wants to start DeFi right now, there we have a really big problem with the entry point itself. Okay, the biggest blockers. Okay, like I think already like this has been mentioned in multiple talks already in this room. The user experience is so bad. Okay, like we have been struggling to build an user experience, and like we haven't been able to build a product which like a grandmas can use it and stuff. So like we are a self custodial wallet. Okay, like the like self custodial, even the self custodial wallet experience is highly fragmented. Like when I say highly fragmented, okay, like there's too much technical jargon. Okay, like when you see, like if you see MetaMask, it's MetaMask was the most adopted wallet out there. But the history of MetaMask, it started as a developer tool. Okay, there's not a like big evolution from how they started as a developer tool and how people are using it right now. Okay, and when I say the self custodial wallet is too fragmented, because there is so many blockchains. Okay, like other day CZ tweeted, okay, like we need more blockchains. Okay, like we need more blockchains because only 5% of the world populations as touched crypto yet. Okay, there is still 95% of the population hasn't touched crypto. Okay, there are like when we started, okay, like way back in 2020, the TVL in DeFi was around less than 10 million. Okay, like 10 million. Now it went up to 600 billion. Okay, 600 billion. Even with that kind of a volume, it just worked without flawlessly. Okay, and this is one picture I want to show, like how fragmented it is. There is 10 different blockchain. There is 100 different protocols, and like just switching between blockchains and like on like bridging between blockchain. There are so many like technical things which we need to do right now. Okay, that's where like we have come up with a truly unified wallet per se. Like we we started Frontier way back in 2020 as a portfolio aggregator. Okay, like we moved on to become a like unified wallet experience. Okay, like we are doing this in two stages. The first stage, we want to do this in such a way, we want to capture the existing people who understand crypto. Like we want to capture the power users. Let's say when I say there was 600 billion worth of volume in DeFi, all of this volume has come from the people who understand crypto, people who know how to manage crypto, like people who are very familiar with private key and seed phrases. Okay, like I didn't wanted to build it for the next billion initially. Okay, like I wanted to capture that particular market. That's when we started working on unified crypto wallet. Okay, like we started with the mobile wallet because mobile wallet is very relevant, like when it comes to like user experience. And the biggest difference between Frontier and all the other existing wallets out there, we are not just providing the web experience to interact with any protocols or dApps out there. We have built a native interface for each and every protocol. Okay, and most of the wallets are right now focusing on generating revenue, the swap fees, and very like limited revenue source. But we did most of our work on the B2B side by getting integration from the B2B side. So like we have everything in one place. What does a typical crypto, like pro crypto user do? Like he like buys crypto, he converts his crypto to another asset. He bridges his asset to another chain, and like he wants to do earning, he wants to do staking. Okay, like how about having a super app to do all of this in one place? Okay, that's exactly what we have built at Frontier. And all of this experience we haven't done through the dApp browser experience. Okay, we have built everything in a native way. And so like we were the first one to like build an NFT wallet. Okay, we built NFT wallet like almost 25 months back, like not because of the recent hype cycle which happened in the NFT things. And another important feature of like our wallet, how we are doing different, you have a position which you have opened, like you have opened the position in Aave, on Compound, or anywhere, like in MetaMask in a desktop. How about managing that position within the mobile wallet? Okay, in a non-custodial way. That's exactly what we have built at Frontier. So when it comes to wallet experience, most of the issues happen like at the place where the phishing, even like the stealing of assets, everything happens like on user approval. It doesn't happen like without knowing user has to approve. We have built an intelligence system, like before doing a transaction we do the caution. Okay, if you do this transaction, like we simulate exactly what is going to happen after this. Okay, if let's say if you're searching for a magiceden.com, and like it says magicvedon.com, like we will alert like which it doesn't going to work. Like we will alert the users, like if you just sign this transaction, you will lose all of your assets. So like our wallet is designed for everyone. We have a mobile app, we have a Chrome extension, multi-chain Chrome extension, we have a desktop portfolio management tool to manage all of your DeFi positions in one place. Okay, and this is our traction. We are one of the largest like Web3 wallet in India, and we have like more than 1 million users using our product. And we have every month we process like $50 to $75 million worth of transactions signed on our wallet. And like the staking has been the biggest use case what people have used Frontier for, because we have simplified staking to do it in less than 3 taps. Okay, and also we are the fifth project to get listed on Binance. Okay, like from India, like there was Polygon, there was few other before Polygon came in. And what next for Frontier? Okay, like this. So for everything whatever built, all of this we have built it for power users. For the next 2 quarters, like we are building it for uh, mainstream users. Okay, we are like launching Frontier blockchain. Okay, we are Frontier blockchain. It's a Cosmos SDK based decentralized MPC network. Okay, the whole idea for us is to bring a mainstream adoption. The biggest blocker for mainstream adoption is one is the key private key management itself, and another thing is the on ramp, like on various countries. On ramping is too difficult. So we are trying to solve the biggest problem of blockchain by using a blockchain. Okay, like we have created a decentralized MPC network where we can create a keyless wallets. Okay, and this is the decentralized wallet which we are going to release. You can create a decentralized key and without any seed phrase. No, there won't be any seed phrase. Okay, and lastly, like in the next quarter, we are also releasing a keyless hardware wallet. Okay, hardware wallet is termed as a as most secure like place to store assets. But there's a survey which Ledger themselves did it recently. Like 35% of the Ledger users, they have imported their seed phrases to mobile app. Okay, the moment they have imported into mobile app and they have imported into MetaMask or any other wallets, it is losing its purpose. Okay, like even now the with the seed phrase and everything, hardware wallet experience is very cumbersome. We are trying to solve this through the keyless hardware wallet as well. Okay, that's about Frontier. Okay, looking. Thanks Ben and Sagar for hosting us and on organizing a very great event for us.